Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Square for restaurants for loyalty and retention campaigns, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Square for Restaurants account. Navigate to the Customers section in your dashboard. Click on the Loyalty tab to access the loyalty program settings. Choose Create a new program to start setting up your loyalty campaign. Select a name for your loyalty program that reflects your brand. Define the type of loyalty program you want to offer, such as point-based or visit-based. Set up the earning criteria for your customers. Decide how many points or visits customers will need to redeem rewards. Customize the rewards your customers will receive for their loyalty. Consider options like discounts, free items, or exclusive access. Set the duration for how long rewards will be valid. Ensure to define the program's enrollment period and any restrictions. Once all details are filled in, review your settings for any errors. Save your loyalty program settings. Next, create a marketing campaign to promote your loyalty program. Use Square's built-in marketing tools to design visually engaging emails. Segment your customer list to target different groups effectively. Schedule your marketing campaigns to coincide with peak times. Track the performance of your loyalty program through the Analytics section. Regularly assess customer participation and satisfaction with the program. Make adjustments based on customer feedback to enhance the experience. Consider rewarding customers for referral signups to expand your reach. Finally, keep communication open with your customers to inform them of updates and new rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.